Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how to get songs on Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have my Capcut opened and I have created a project as well. And we're going to get songs for this project. So the first thing we should do is click on add audio option right here. Or we can also click on audio button right here. It's the same. And I'm just going to click on add audio. Then tap on sounds. And we can get songs that Capcut has provided for us, or we can get a song from our device. And if we want to get a song from our device, we can click on this button. Just click on the button and you can click on from device. But if you want to get songs that Capcut provided for us, we can click on this button. And this is the Capcut recommendation. We can scroll down to find the song that we like. Alright, and we can also search the song by clicking on this search button, or we can also click on the song theme. You can choose Halloween, beat, dance, vlog, it's up to you. And for me, I'm just going to choose the Capcut recommendation. I'm going to choose dark background music suitable for mystery. And don't forget to download the song first before you import the song to your project. So we're going to download the song. And after that, we can click on this plus button to import this song to our project. Alright guys, and now the song has been imported to Capcut, and that's how we can get songs on Capcut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.